Na-imagine mo ba yung sarili mo na mararating mo yung status mo ngayon bilang isang leading man? Na kahilera mo na nga sina Piolo, sina Dingdong,
Oo
di
nga
ba?
eh. Tatakot nga si Piolo, katext ko kahapon, baka maagawan ko daw ng mga roles. Hindi kasi in-invite ko. In-invite ko si Premier Nights PJ. Oh, may shoot daw eh. Anyway, hindi ko in-imagine. Parang ang tawag sa amin, unconventional leading man eh. Usually, the unconventional leading men, hindi talaga namin in-expect yan. Kami nila Empoy, nila Pepe. Hindi talaga namin in-expect yan eh. Sa tingin ko, ang magkakapareha sa amin ay we don't actually, we aim high, but we don't plan to go there, to a certain point. One step at a time. Ano next dito? Dito tayo. Ano next? Anong kayang isagad? Sagad natin dito. So, ganun yung nangyari. And we are, I will speak for, I think in general, for most of us, na ganun, na unconventional leading men, na we really work hard and we commit lagi sa project dahil there are still doubts among people. Hindi natin maiiwasan yan. May mga doubt yan from the fans, from the industry. There are still doubts. And mabuti na lang na we have this background in theater na you're only as good as your last performance. So always prove a point.